Hi trader, this is Maria from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. What do you say if I've shown you the method which would assure you 30 pips every trading day? If you want to find out how to do it, stay with me to the end of this video because I'll show you right now. So let's start the rock and roll. So this method contains one single indicator and one single line. That's all what you need to make a successful trading, to make your 30 pips every bloody trading day. The method is really simple. I'll show you right now. When you see a situation like this, you see divergence. This is divergence, isn't it? You got flat line here, and the trend and indicator make divergence. So here we got the rising market. As soon as indicator crosses below this line, which was divergence line, I'll show you it is right here in this place. Here we sell. We sell over here. That's the area where we sell. That's this small candle or somewhere here. We sell it, we got a strong signal. As soon as we get this signal, we sell. We put stop loss here, 74 pips. Take profit, 280 pips. And it's just from 14 May to 18 May or 19 May. 5 days, you got 300 pips. Then, if happens something like this, we know now, here we got the same situation. Now we are the rising trend is over. And now the trend starts falling. It starts a downtrend over here, like this one. This is the trend line, okay? So the next thing now, because you made some money over here, you're looking for making money again. So you took profit over here, then you see the trend is rising again. Obviously, on correction, you can do money as well. You can do it in this way. You draw a line over here, if it allows you, or the shorter one over here from this top, because here was the top of the market, and draw the line here, and easily you can enter, you know where to get out of the market. So you're getting out of the market here, for example, because here's a downtrend, the line was crossed, you turn the position the other way and you buy here somewhere. You make another, you don't know yet, but you got stop loss pretty short, 60 pips and 190 pips. It's only 2 days, so that's it. Then you got another uptrend here on indicator, and as soon as the price crosses below, again you sell after this signal, after this long candle. Here is the signal candle, so you sell here, and you got stop loss 170 pips, and all the way down 347.8 pips is your take profit. So here you got again the same story. So what's next? The next one, we got the following situation. In a swing trade, I'm on Euro USD and GBP USD, Great British Pound against US dollar. You can clearly see every rising and every uptrend and every downtrend. So as here we got the downtrend, which shows you exactly where the price hits. This is the signal candle. The stop loss 50 pips. Take profit is whatever you want, 350 pips. And again, the other story. Here you got another downtrend over here. As you see, you can draw the line here. As soon as the price gets above here, you just buy somewhere here. This is the signal. In the uptrend is the same situation. Look, draw the line. As soon as you got the signal, you sell. Again, the market is going down, and till it's going down, you got sold. Buying, you loser. You lost here. But go further, draw another line from here to here. So as soon as you see that the market keeps under this line and then it's rising, you buy here again, and so on, guys. So that's how it looks like. Here we've got another example on an uptrend and a downtrend on Great British Pound USD. Look at this one. Look at this line. It's on daily chart. Look, we've got such a situation. The trend keeps going, breaks through. This is fake. But then you got the line broken, which is exactly on top of the market. So the line has been broken. From here it starts the downtrend. And look how it looks like. The downtrend comes here and is keeping down all that long. It's worth trying, guys. It's worth trying. In this way, I assure you, you can make 30 to 50 pips a day with the system. No problems. Just observe the market. Just use your head. Think. Don't use hundreds of indicators. Use just one and you will do it. It's simple. Watch my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.